I did a residency recently at Utopiana in Geneva, and it's about ornaments based on the figure of a hybrid, and a hybrid between a human and a plant. And right now, I'm learning how to make skin cell culture on a petri dish, and very soon I will probably learn how to make a biopsy and try to culture my own cells in the lab. So I don't know if you can imagine, but the situation, but imagine that you can take a piece of your skin and make a large patch of your skin outside. And that is something that it raises a lot of questions and a lot of curiosity, and also questions about ourselves, where our body ends and where another entity starts. And so there is a lot of questions about identity and who we are through doing this simple, but through this question, right? And trying to experiment with biology in that sense.